The sun produces an immense amount of noise, but we cannot hear it because sound waves cannot travel through space. Space lacks air or any medium to carry sound from one place to another. How loud is the sun? If we could somehow hear the sun, its sound would be around 290 decibels dB, an unimaginable level of noise. To put this into perspective, normal conversation 60 dB, traffic noise 85 decibels, jet engine up close 130 dB, rocket launch 180 dB, sun's noise if audible 290 dB. Could the sun's noise make a human go deaf? If a person were exposed to 290 decibels of sound, they wouldn't just go deaf instantly. This extreme noise level would cause serious physical harm. The powerful pressure waves would rupture eardrums and could even damage internal organs due to the immense force. Thankfully, the vacuum of space protects us from experiencing this terrifying noise.